Well, good morning from Vienna. I am so excited to be here. I did just come from a week-long sailing trip in Croatia and I didn't vlog it. I honestly don't think I had the mental capacity to vlog it the whole time we were there. It was just so fast-paced and crazy. But now I'm in Vienna and I'm so excited to explore and be a little bit more on my own time. But I'm in this apartment that I'm staying in, which is so cute and beautiful. I will take you guys for a little tour in a little bit. But I mean, look at this view. I actually just walked away from it, but like beautiful view out to the Vienna streets out there. But I am super excited to go explore Vienna, see some palaces, some historical buildings, a park, eat some really good food, and yeah, just enjoy the day in Vienna. I'm ready for a full day exploring and taking you guys around. So let's head on out.
Hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling.
Alright guys, so we're walking to Belvedere. I think it's a palace and gardens. It is 34 degrees out today, which is like 93 in Fahrenheit. It is so freaking hot. I'm like trying my best to avoid the sun, but it is really, really pretty, but I'm absolutely sweating so much. So I'm hoping I don't melt on this little excursion and this explore time. But the park I'm in is so cute. There's a little like green, there's so much green space, which Barcelona does not have. And there's lots of flowers. I'm in a little flower garden right now. And then walking by, and it looks like there's like another little palace. There's so many beautiful architecture buildings here in Vienna, which I'm really loving. So that's really nice. I'm excited. I'm trying to avoid the sun. I'm melting, but we're slowly making our way. We're through one of the parks now and making our way to Belvedere, and then we're gonna go to some palaces and hopefully be inside. But let's go check out what this little park has to offer.
Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong.
Alright guys, well, we made it to a Belvedere Palace and Gardens. It is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see a little bit more behind me. I'm walking through the gardens now. I'm absolutely roasting, but you know, things we do for content, and it's really, really gorgeous. So I'm gonna head up now and explore a little bit, find some shade, and then take you guys on a little tour around the palace area. Well, we made it up to the Belvedere Palace. As you can see, there is a line in the sun to get in, and it is that hot that I actually don't know if I can handle it or do it. I feel like this vlog is going to be me running around Vienna in the heat trying to avoid heat stroke. And although 34 might not seem like too crazy, when it's city heat, it's just deathly. It's so hot. So I'm gonna walk around the front of the palace, get some videos, and then I think we're gonna head back because it's just too hot to wait in a long line in the sun today. But we're gonna hit some other palaces, so let's go. Try not to die and keep seeing bits of Vienna. Now we're gonna try some Kaiser. It's a sausage with cheese infused inside of it. Oh my god, that is so good. I'm not even a big cheese person. Well, we're at one of the Joseph Plots. Really cool statue. The buildings are just so pretty here. It is beautiful. And again, I'm gonna say I'm dying. We're making our way onto the palace, which is inside. I'm so excited to show you guys that and take you around because that looks absolutely gorgeous. Not that any of this amazing stuff doesn't, but keep on walking. I feel like this video is gonna be a crazy compilation of sweaty clips of me walking around, but we gotta see Vienna, so let's keep going. So we've made it to the palace. It is so beautiful. I really can't read at that Palais Daun-Kinsky. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at the ceilings. The work in this palace is so incredible. And then upstairs is absolutely to die for. Look at these stairs. So beautiful. Now, the winner of it all, ready for the ceiling. Like, I have no words. That is so pretty, so beautiful. Now, one thing to note, I actually don't know where I'm walking this thing, and there's no one in here besides two girls taking pictures upstairs. And I tried some of the doors, and they're not opening. So I don't actually know where I'm supposed to be going. But we're gonna explore some more and see if I find anything else. But even if I don't, this little section itself was magnificent and definitely a must-see. And it's free in Vienna when you're here. So sadly, the rest of the palace was actually closed for a private event, so I was only able to go in that section, but I was happy able to go in that section alone because that is definitely the prettiest. I know there's a little theater part and there's a bit more, but that was obviously, like I said, the only one open. But I'm so happy I got to see it. I didn't get to go to the Justice Parliament part because it was closed at 3:30, which I didn't realize, and it wasn't pre-planning because I kind of just like to go with the flow of things, which sometimes when traveling it doesn't always work out. But now I'm actually going to go back to the apartment and I'm going to have a little relax. I haven't popped the bottle of champagne yet that they gave me, so I think I'm going to do that and chill. I need to like cool off a bit. It has been so hot all day. I actually thought at one point I was going to pass out because I didn't have breakfast and it was so damn hot. But luckily in Vienna they have all these free water stations and they have not only like free water but they also have the misters. So that is definitely really nice and a game changer and a lifesaver when it's this hot. So I think now I'm gonna go head back to the apartment, going to chill, and then gonna take myself out for some dinner, get some apple strudel while I'm out because you have to have that when you're in Vienna. And then I'm going to take myself, I think, to a little speakeasy or a little cocktail bar and go get a cocktail and go home, but have an early night because my train for Bratislava, Slovakia is tomorrow at 8:45 in the morning. So I'm excited, but yeah, lots to still do tonight and explore and film, of course. And then I'm super excited for Bratislava tomorrow. I'm gonna do the whole itinerary and figure out where I want to go. But yeah, time to relax and not be so freaking sweaty.
Hold on, we'll be together. Take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling.
Well guys, as you saw, my vlog kind of dropped off yesterday. I went out for dinner and then I really wasn't just feeling well. I think I was just so run down from the past week and then having a really hot, sweaty day in Vienna. So last night I just went out for some Thai curry and then went home. And I have a full day today in Bratislava and then going to Budapest. So I was trying to rest up because I still have 3 nights in Budapest and obviously this full day in Bratislava. So I took it a little bit easy. I didn't do everything I want to do in Vienna, but I definitely know that I will be coming back because I want to come back during Christmas market time and because it looks just insanely beautiful. And I definitely think it'll be really nice to explore a bit more. So I know I will be back. I know I didn't show too much, but Vienna is so pretty. I would definitely probably say not to come in August. It is so freaking hot. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys a little tour of the 2-bedroom apartment in Vienna. It is so cute. I absolutely love staying here. It was a really good area. It's called Raphael Kaiser Apartments. Definitely look them up if you're here in Vienna. But to start, we have like 3 bathrooms. So toilet, bathroom, and then we've got a nice brand new shower. And then we've got the actual bathroom with your sinks and mirrors and also another shower, which is really nice. And then off of there, we have the bedroom. This has been my room in here. Super cute. Got a little TV and a nice view of Vienna down there. Then we're heading into one of my favorite areas. So we have the kitchen and the hallway. Here is bedroom number 2. Again, really cute. And then this is my favorite. Look at this living room. There was a bottle of champagne there, but I have to drink it. But it has such a nice pretty view. We have a dining room table. I worked there. It's been really nice to work. And then we've got just some nice views of the streets of Vienna. This one over here is my favorite You see all the beautiful architecture and the buildings of Vienna. And yeah, it's been such a cozy place to stay. Absolutely loved it. Obviously, I got to do the book tour beforehand, but I wanted to give you guys a nice little tour of the apartment so you can see it. And like I said, definitely highly recommend. It's so freaking cute here. But now I'm all ready, packed, and we're gonna head off in like a minute. I think I'm already late for the train to Bratislava, and let's go see Slovakia.